show me the angel hair. Whoop.
That's cool.
Can you see it?
Yes, I can. That's super cool.
Hey, welcome back to Midnight Science Club. Here we are at Faraday Studios with one of the best looking wits in the world. I'm Jake, Wizard 4, and this is
Ethan. Wizard in training.
Wizard in training. You know the real way to tell somebody how long have you been a wit. You know what the answer is?
What?
Say 4 months. That's good. 4 months. Hey, it's getting to be a holiday season, right? And sometimes we like to do themes. And I was thinking, what would be a holiday themed science activity? My Mrs. Wizard was getting some decorations out for Christmas, and she had something called angel hair. You ever heard of angel hair pasta?
Yes.
What about it?
It's really thin.
Really thin? Have you ever seen fiberglass insulation? Looks like cotton candy.
Oh, yeah.
That cotton candy stuff, Seen that? That's little thin fibers of glass, and they call it an angel hair. For lack of better things, I thought we'd make some angel hair. The question I would ask you is, that fiberglass you see, how do you think they make that? See, look at his head. It's going. He's thinking like a scientist. How am I going to make it? Actually, it's very simple. I do have some glass rods here. You see those?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to turn those into angel hair. And we're going to use this device right here. You don't know what this is?
I don't.
This is first for him. This is called a Bunsen burner.
Oh.
Ready to light this thing up. So would you open the sacred drawer of fire, please? Well, there it is.
Wow. Look at all this.
Yeah, you're in heaven there, aren't you? This is good. Look at that. That's the fancy one, man.
That's cool.
Okay, I want to turn on the gas. We're going to light this Bunsen burner. Then you light it first. There we go. So there's a flame, right?
Yeah.
Gas is coming in here, and down at the bottom, you can see that it's open on the bottom.
Yeah, a little.
A little bit.
The option.
Got the air, and I can open the valve right there like that.
Yep.
And notice what happens to the flame as I let more in. There's no air going in, and as I open the valve, let some air come in to mix. Look what happens to that flame. That was your Bunsen burner lesson. This is called Bunsen. And the guy's name that invented this, I know it's 150 years ago, his name was Stinky Bunsen.
No.
Okay. I was trying. I've got to get a file that has a sharp corner on it. Right there's one right there. How would you think you would cut a glass rod? And you just put a little scratch. I'm going to put a little scratch right here. You hear it?
Yep.
Here, going screech, 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 screech. And then what I want to do is take the scratch and aim it away from myself. And I put my thumbs right behind it. And I'm going to roll my hands. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And look at that. Did you see that? Yeah. Look at that. Look how nice and square. So we're going to take a minute and cut glass. Okay. So let's fire this thing up. Give it a hit. There it is. So you're going to take the rod and since it's room temperature, you're going to kind of ease it into the flame. So you just see, I'm warming it up here. That's probably several hundred degrees there. And I'm easing it down into the flame. Starting to melt.
That's how you do it.
You get it hot. And look at this. You see how I can move it?
Yeah.
It's melting in it.
Now it's melting. I can see it's
You
wobbling.
see it? It's wobbling. Are you ready for this?
Yep.
You ready for this? You say, show me the angel hair.
Show me the angel hair.
Here it comes. Whoop.
That's cool.
Can you see it?
Yes, I can. That's super cool. I want to do that.
I know you do. And believe it or not, you see this is a hollow glass tube,
Yeah.
right? It's still hollow all the way down through there. Well, actually what we did, it's called extruding. Say extrude.
Extrude.
What did we just do?
We extruded.
We extruded.
The glass.
Right here in front of everybody around the world, we just extruded some glass.
Yep.
And that's how angel hair is made. So I want you to try to make some more angel hair here. Okay, here we go. Ethan, the wit. Are you ready to extrude? What do you think, man?
Almost.
You keep rolling it. You gotta roll it all the way around. You gotta get it heated on all the sides. Go! Blah, 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 blah. Come on, man. Go, 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 go. That's all he's got. Okay. It's not bad for a wit. Yeah, that's okay.
I'm not the wizard, but
You're darn right. That's
I can do okay.
Thanks for joining us today at Midnight Science Club, where you can say you saw angel hair being made by a wizard and a wit. I mean, where else are you going to see that?
Yeah.
Right here at Midnight Science Club. That's what I'm saying.
Midnight Science Club.
That's what I'm saying.